Hello everyone, it's Dawn from PNW Blanks, and today we are going to be doing a tote bag. So at PNWBlanks.com we have a ton of different tote bags, and today we're going to be doing this cute burlap canvas tote bag. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, super big, folds out, and then we've got this just cute little burlap bottom to it, and we've got colored ones with colored bottoms. We have the rope handle ones, which I love too. I love those. And some other ones. So make sure to check out PNWBlanks.com for totes. And we're going to be doing, like I said, this one today. So I've already got my pressure done. So I'll do it this way first. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I forgot that I had put a tumbler in. So I am going to use my pressing pillow in the middle. And I just put it in the middle, and that way my sublimation doesn't go through and I don't have to worry about putting paper in there. But like I said, I already did my pressure, so I'm just gonna hold it down for a minute just to press it out some. And I do keep my straps out. So I just press it for about 10-15 seconds, get some of them wrinkles out. And then I'm using my Cascadia Pro Heat Press, of course. And we're going to do this cute little design. If you haven't noticed on my last videos, everything is cruise related, just because I am doing an order for some cruise stuff. So I thought while I'm doing this, I would do some videos. So I'm just going to tape down my design, and you want to make sure you tape down good so it doesn't move. If it moves, you're going to get some ghosting on it. Okay, and then you just push it back in, and on the other side, we're going to do the name. So like I said, I just make sure I have my straps out. We're going to go 360 for 60 seconds. We're going to let that go, and then when we come back, we'll turn it over and do our name. While that's going, I can show you when I did. Look at these beautiful colors with my Cyclone 2.0 ink. And I just did the name on the back, but how cute is that? And look at those colors. Just beautiful. All right, so we're almost done with that side. What I love about the Cascadia Pro, once you get to 3, it gives you this countdown. So if I'm busy doing something, forget about it. Right. And this is why you want to make sure that you use your blowout paper. As you see, the sublimation comes on the paper, and we don't want to get any ink on our platen. So this is our first side. And now we're just going to do our second side. And when I do that, I personally put down blowout paper again because I don't want any of that to come off. I'm gonna pull out my drawer here, and then we're just going to do the name. So I just kind of try to find the middle to match it up with the middle here. And I'll put it kind of in the middle there. And then we're just going to tape it down. And for Sublimation blanks, I do use this yellow tape. For my tumblers, I only use the blue tape that Anna sells. I don't use this yellow tape on my tumblers. Okay. Put my blowout paper back on top. And we're going to let this go for 60 seconds, and we'll be right back. It's about to give us our countdown. And we can pull it out. Take off of our name. Got my hot pillow. And here we have our cute tote bag with the name on the back. These are super, super cute. Like I said, we've got a bunch of different styles of totes at PNWBlanks.com. Check out all of our different blanks we have available, plus our Cyclone 2.0 ink. If you're looking for a great ink with great color, this is the ink for you. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!